Hello, class. Welcome to week 6. So during week 6, we will be concluding our study of Microsoft Word. Next week in week 7, we will start talking about Microsoft PowerPoint, which that ought to be really fun. You ought to enjoy talking about PowerPoint. But right now, we're still finishing up Word. This week, our focus is on helping you to have some skills that you'll need to do reports, both in the workplace as well as academically. So this week you'll be learning about, we'll continue to create a sense of community in our online course. You'll also be creating a new document from a template. You'll learn how to use autocorrect. You'll learn how to replace words using the thesaurus. You'll also learn how to insert and update a table of contents, footnotes, and endnotes. And you understand what those will be. You'll also understand how to use report reference style, how to add citations, and to create a bibliography. You'll mark words in a document to create an index. You'll learn how to use the track changes. You'll also work with comments, and you'll also be able to change how the document is viewed. So you'll also notice when you go on our lecture page, even if you don't go back and watch the video or you don't join me, live on Zoom, make sure to check out that lecture page, because towards the bottom, there's a section called additional resources. And there are 2 handouts on there that are both PDF documents that I would recommend that you download and save to your computer in a place that you can find and refer to later. One is instructions for doing what's called the MLA format. The other one is instructions for how to do the APA format. So depending upon the types of courses that you're taking, you might be asked to write a report for other classes, either using the MLA format or the APA format. MLA stands for Modern Language Association, and that usually is English, possibly history, but for sure English. APA stands for the American Psychological Association. So that's usually your psychology classes, maybe a sociology class, something like that. They'd ask for APA formatting. But regardless, those are there for you. I would suggest downloading them and saving them. And then also this week, again, you'll have your chapter quiz. You'll have a discussion forum. This time it'll be about cheating and academic honesty. So hopefully that ought to be a good discussion, very robust. You'll also have, again, the green box, the let me try exercises, as well as the fix it exercise 5.6. You'll also this week have what our first of what we call an SLO, or a student learning outcome assessment. So it's just an opportunity for you to show me, what you've learned, during these past 5 weeks in dealing with Word. And what I'm going to ask you to do is to make a flyer. It needs to have certain requirements. So be sure to read that, and then you can just make sure that your submission follows the requirements so that I can give you full credit. As I say, I will be on Zoom on Monday, the 20th, at 3. So, make sure to be on at that time and I can assist you. Otherwise, that recording will be available to you, hopefully by late Wednesday, if not before. I'll see you again later in cyberspace. So bye for now.